Now, let's talk about oil and natural gas formation. Unlike coal, which was formed in swamp, oil and natural gas were formed in the ocean floor. About 300 to 400 million years ago, marine plants and animals were buried on the ocean floor. The action of bacteria helped to decompose them. As these remains were buried deeper and deeper, heat and pressure gradually changed these remains into oil and natural gas. Basically, oil and natural gas were formed in the same process. The only difference is natural gas was exposed to greater heat and pressure, which further changed it into its gaseous form. Now, once formed, the oil moved through cracks in rock below Earth's surface. That's why miners also use machineries to collect them or to dig them out. Now, moving on, what are the uses of coal? Coal has long been used as an energy source for factories and power plants. Moreover, it's also used for smelting by steel industries, making bricks, paper, limestone, and cement. How about oil or petroleum? Petroleum is mostly used for fueling vehicles, including cars, trucks, and jets. So that's for transportation. It's also used for electricity generation, asphalt and road oil, LPG, or your liquefied petroleum gas, making of plastic, paints, and lubricants. Let's proceed to natural gas. Natural gas is used for heating in many homes. It is burned in fireplaces, heaters, water heaters, and stove. Moreover, it's also used in oil and gas industry operations, pharmaceuticals, fabrics, plastics, and about a small percentage is used for transportation as well. Now, look at this graph. This graph shows us that fossil fuels provide most of our energy needs compared to the renewable sources of energy. Why? Because fossil fuels are very powerful energy sources. Now, while fossil fuels are a powerful energy source that meets energy needs, they also have disadvantages. First, they're non-renewable. That means when they're gone forever. Second, they're a source of air pollution. We learned from the previous lesson that burning of fossil fuels emit carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, which pollute the environment. Now, because of that problem, scientists are developing cleaner and renewable sources of energy to replace fossil fuels. Examples are your windmills from wind energy and hydroelectric power plants, which we're going to learn in the next lesson. Now, if scientists can do something, we also have a role to play. We can also help conserve energy. First, by recycling, reusing, knowing when to turn off or turn on electrical appliances when not in use, and using alternative energy sources.